Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for how to generate an EJ report as a part of the Environmental Justice Summary for the Air Pollution Control Division and Colorado Department of Health and Environment. Once you click on the link from the website, it'll take you to this page. Here you'll encounter a splash page with more information on the Small Business Assistant Program, CDPHE and the EJ program, Colorado EnviroScreen, and other information on tools as well. You'll also have the option to select how to use the tool, which will take you step by step through the tool, but for today's purposes, we'll just click OK. After getting rid of the splash screen, you'll see that it'll take us to a map of Colorado. On the right, you can either zoom in or zoom out. There's also a legend with information on the census block groups and disproportionately impacted community types. On the left, there is also a step-by-step process on how to generate the EJ report, and what we'll start is by clicking the magnifying glass icon up at the top left-hand corner. Here you'll click on this icon and type in either the name of the facility, address, or coordinates. So for this example, use the Colorado Department of Health and Environment. Sometimes it'll pop up. We'll click on that there, and it'll take us directly to the location we are trying to generate a report for. We're a little zoomed in, so we're just going to zoom out. It looks like we're in a shaded area, so a socioeconomically vulnerable community. You can also change the view of the map by clicking this icon. Here you can choose either a satellite image or map, whatever your preference is, it doesn't matter. Once you figure out what your preference is, you'll click on this icon here, and then click on the point you are trying to generate the EJ report for. You'll click next, and it'll automatically zoom out with a 1 mile radius from this location, which will generate a satellite image that you'll use as a component for your environmental justice summary. Then you'll type in all the company information, facility name, and AIRS ID, any information that's pertinent. Run the report. Usually this takes 15 to 30 seconds, but just be patient. It'll automatically pop up with the option to download the EJ report. You'll click on that and your EJ report will be ready to go. So it looks like this report generated socioeconomically vulnerable community. If we scroll down, like I said, there's also a satellite image that shows the 1 mile radius from the point of the facility, so you don't need to submit an extra satellite image as a part of your environmental justice summary. And that is how you use the EJ report tool to generate an environmental justice report as a part of the EJ summary. Thank you.